If you're struggling to grow on YouTube, chances are you've fallen for the biggest YouTube growth myth there is on YouTube. And trust me, this one mistake has been keeping your channel stuck no matter how much effort you put in. So if you've been posting, hoping, and still not seeing results, this might be the reason why. Let's bust this myth once and for all. Stop believing the YouTube lies. Stop believing the YouTube lies, especially this one. And I'm going to tell you what it is. The biggest YouTube growth myth that is probably holding you back is post more, grow faster. Yep. That's the one. And before you come for me, hold on, let me explain and show you why this is not the best strategy in 2025. Some people will tell you just upload every day. More videos equals to more views. And while consistency is important, just posting more every day doesn't automatically make your channel guaranteed to grow. In fact, it can even do the opposite if you're not careful. Here's the truth. YouTube doesn't reward you for how much you post. It rewards you for how good your content is. You know, how good your videos are. The algorithm prioritizes videos that people actually watch and engage with. So if you're pushing out a ton of low quality video that has no value, you're just posting because you want to be posting consistently, then you're actually hurting your channel. And this is actually going to affect the performance of your channel as a whole. Yes, I know you say, oh, we are all contradicting ourselves. Some people are telling you post consistently, post every day. And now I'm telling you don't post every day. I'm not telling you don't post every day. Don't post rubbish content consistently just to fill up the space of consistency. And you're just posting low quality videos. You just want to put out videos. Oh, I must post today. If you don't have quality or value to give, take a break. Don't post that day. Go and do research. Let me tell you things to do instead, okay? Let me get right into it. The simple thing to do is to focus on quality and strategy over quantity. Not just quality now, quality and strategy over quantity. You need to make clickable videos because if people aren't clicking, that means they are not watching. And if they are not watching, that means you need to focus on your thumbnail and your title. You need to study your algorithm to know where the problem is from, to know what you need to fix for it to actually work for you. Hook viewers fast. The first 30 seconds matters, okay? It matters a lot and you need to keep the viewers engaged. Do not waste time. Nobody has time for, hey, my name is this. We already see your name in your channel title. We've seen your picture in your channel profile. We've read your banner. We've read your description. We know what this channel is about. There's no need to do the same thing every video and come and say, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is this, and on this channel, I do this. We already know this. When people want to get to know you better, they know what to do. They are going to go to your socials. Your socials is already linked in your description. It's already linked on your channel. Your name is there. Your video description is there. Everything they need to know about you is already in your description. If you haven't done that, then you need to go and optimize your channel. And if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to link a video on how to optimize your channel for you. Check that out. So there's no need to beat around the bush. Most of the people that are seeing your content are people that have probably not yet subscribed to you. You're trying to draw them in. You're trying to make them subscribers. There is no need for this. The reason they clicked on that video was because of the title and the thumbnail. You said something in the title that made them want to click. That's, oh, this is what they are looking for. So don't waste their time. Go straight on to the point. Hook the viewers fast. Also, watch time is king. It is really king. If people aren't watching till the end, then YouTube won't push your content. So that's why I said the whole video has to be valuable. The thing you're advertising in your thumbnail and your title, make sure it's what you are delivering in the video. Make sure it's so interesting, like you don't lose the viewer at any point to make them click out of the video. If they watch from the beginning to the end, it helps. It increases your watch time hour. Thereby, YouTube will keep recommending that video because YouTube wants people on the app more. YouTube doesn't want people to click out. So the more people enjoy your content and watch from the beginning till the end, YouTube will keep pushing out that content because they feel, oh, this is very interesting for this person to watch from the beginning till the end. Then this will hook other people. They will push it out there to the world because they want people to stay on the app. Use data to improve. Study your algorithm. That is how you know what people actually love. And that is how you know what people will continue. Like, this is what my audience watch. Oh, this is the video that is doing well on this channel. This is what is clicking. Oh, the way I titled this video today, people click more. This is what they want to see. Study your algorithm. If you don't know how to use your YouTube analytics, I already made a video about that. I'm going to link that video in the card. Study how to, use your YouTube analytics to make yourself get more views and subscribers. So next time you hear someone just say, just post more, be consistent, post every day or post 2 times a day, post more and you will grow. Just remember this. It's not about how many videos you upload. It's about how many good videos you create. Work smarter, not harder. You go to some people's channel, you see that they have only 5 videos and thousands of subscribers. And then you go to some people's channel, you see they have maybe 100 videos and few subscribers. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please let me know down in the comments. What's one YouTube myth you're falling for? Because I'm steady busting myths here on the streets of YouTube. Okay, I'm going to link related videos for you. Please check them out. They are going to help you tremendously. And if you want to see more YouTube growth tips and tricks, also any other myth busting, then check out the suggested videos that I'm going to link for you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please share this video to somebody that needs it. It's very important that it gets out there to new YouTubers, small YouTubers that are also struggling for views and subscribers. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, like I said, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.